when you go to the Unity site, you can just simply type the Unity in the Google and then click the first one, the Unity. And in here, just press the get started. Well, I mean, don't freak out with the money because this is only for the business. You will need the individual. And yeah, I mean, it's up to your situation. You can download the student or you can download the personal. Well, I mean, doesn't matter because like I'm also using the personal one and then it doesn't matter I mean, it has all of the function, most of the functions. Like see over here, like it has a doc VM UI, which is like I don't use it at all. And yeah, real-time clouds, well, is I heard it's kind of useful, but like it's fine, just it's okay, just without it, it's fine. So yeah, you can just download, but I mean, if to download it, you need to sign up and sign into the Unity. And then this is really mandatory. Otherwise, because later we're also going to use some Unity Asset Store. Well, I'll show you. So within this, you are going to download the, you're going to have your Unity Hub over here. And then I'm not going to wait to you guys install Unities. We're going to say you, and then I hope you can download it before my session, which is Saturday. So in here, if it is first time to open the Unity, it's going to be empty over here. And good things of Unity is really user friendly. So like Grasshopper, user really can easily make their own plugins or their own assets. It's really easy. But same time, is the really bad things. I mean, the really drawback of Unity is also about that. I mean, because of that, Unity has like hundreds of the versions, and then it's very difficult. Sometimes the versions cannot open each other's file, and like sometimes it bring your crashes and your UIs are changed. Like so, yeah. So it's better to keep the same version as me as well, because otherwise some functions are not going to work. So in here, well, I mean, they also already updated. See, I mean, even though they said it's a long-term support, I have a 2019 4.1, but like, yeah, I'm going to also update to this one. But yeah, anyway, please download this one, 2019 4.5. And yeah, please download it and then install it. And then I'm going to open just one Unity project. Well, I just creating, yeah. So 3D means, yeah, this can be changed anytime. So like you can keep just 3D. So yeah, basically it's similar to Maya, but it's not similar at all. So like to create some object, like you can click over here and then I can create some cubes, or like this is like similar to Maya, right? I mean, even though it's the approach way is very different. So you can see this one, and then to move around, I just press Alt and left click like this, and Alt, and because in the Maya you also need to press Alt like this. So this is right click, and then what I was going to tell you was and then here, as you can see, this is also same as Maya function. I mean Maya axis. What I'm saying is like this is X, this is Z, and this is Y. Can you see? No, cannot see. Okay. This is Y, and this is X, this is Z. It's different from Lino, but same as Maya. But I mean, Sumin just changed the Y-axis to Z-axis in Maya. But in here, I would recommend not to do it. So yeah, just let's keep this way. Yeah. just remember this is Y, and then here is like the location. You can, and this is very similar to the tab of the Maya, so you can change the position from here as well. It was too much, yeah, like that, and then you can see some like all the in the this is called inspector tab. In the inspector tab, you're also going to see some like functions, and then you can give some you can link some any other functions, any other components from here as well. And this is a game scene. So there's a two scene inside of the Unity, which is like in the working scene. So I can walking around. I mean, I can look around from everywhere. And then here you will see some camera view over here. So in the game scene, you will see the view from the camera. So if you change the camera location of the camera, you can see that the scene of the game is changing. And then if you want to make it like same scene as like for example, because like moving like this is very difficult to find like a good scene over here. I mean, good view in the game scene. So for example, if I want to say like this, just make in the scene, in the working scene, for example, like this, then select the main camera and then Control Shift F. And then you just see that the view of the game is just changed. And then here is the asset, which is you will going to save a lot of, what can I say, a lot of components, a lot of files, like all the files, components, materials, and script, and your models is going to be saved in here. So here, usually people make the folders over here to organize your project. So for example, sometimes the materials, and inside of here, you can create some material and like change your name and like something like this. I mean, of course, I'm going to more in detail on Saturday, but just wanted to show how does it look like. And here is the same function exactly over here. So game object is usually all these tab menus you will see inside of the hierarchy. It's the same mostly. And then in the assets, all of this mostly same as in here. That's it. And of course, you can change your layout, whatever you want, or but I mean, usually your basic setups is like a game view is inside of your scene. But I just wanted to see, like, even though it's small, I just want to see in the same time. So I go to the game scene over here. But it's only about your code. How you choose it is depends on you. And then, as I said, there is asset store for Unity. So, well, yeah, please let me know if you cannot connect asset store in China. Please let me know before the Saturday so I can prepare the files. But I hope you can access this asset store in your Unity. So you can download some couple of like made models, or you can, or whatever. And then, I mean, of course, you don't need some of them. You really need to pay for their credits and their effort. But there are some free assets as well, like yeah, some like basic things for your games, like some characters, some guns, something like that. Which like we don't want to spend a lot of time to create those kind of things. And yeah, for now, that's it. I think